litre whips, 7-figure pops, 8 with a gang, 9 milli bang, 10 litre crops, Mac 11 pops, 12 in a jewelry, 5 in a dot, 6 litre whips, 7-figure pops, 8 with a gang, 9 milli bang, 10 litre crops, Mac 11 pops, 12
Legendary make this one.
Red home, boss case, gangs won't step back. Get, don't push, wait, red notes, I get that. Setting flying like jet lag. Bruce Lee kick back, spinning like Jet Li. Glee bands ripping off like a jet ski. Catch me with some Africans and Asians like the Red Sea. Got a G, I got a G, but yours is drilled through. You got a G, I got a G, but mine's factory. Just like the kettles and ice, everything's factory. Kettle water and ice, here with the Madge G. Now the seats full levers and the spliffs mampy. And I get it with tax, and I get it tax free. 85 bags for bail and a new taxi. They tried to kill us in that courtroom like New Jack City. Still trapping on bail, so the new stacks pretty. We're around in hard times, so you can't chat to me. 6 litre whips, 7-figure pops, 8 with a gang, 9 millis bang, 10 litre crops, Mac 11 pops, 12 in the jewelry, 5 in the dock. 6 litre whips, 7-figure pops, 8 with a gang, 9 millis bang, 10 litre crops, Mac 11 pops, 12 in the jewelry, 5 one in at a time with these chicks, cause there's too many fox. One line to each whip, cause there's too many dots. One time to my bros, kept it stitched in a dock. I got him whipped on the wing and took a piece out the pot and whipped a fully of the grease in the Dutch till it locked. We let the grand power burst 2 at a time till it stopped. LEDs in the grow, that's the cream of the crop. Then bury stacks in the dirt till it seeps and it rots. Gotta check that odd blue tyre, pressure coolant and the oil level, brake lights, petty tank, that's a trap boy. MOT before we hit the MOT, I fought with Crips, I fought with Blood, Zoo, Woo, LOC, putting money over bullshit. That's MOB, I throw 21s and C's, cause that's where a B-Tro and C block, right near the cemetery. Twin Jacob and Mix forever in my memory. Now Lane Estate Pitbull, different pedigree, smoke the chopper on foot, garden trotted Emery. We smoke rocky to the brain, while we run up celery. Trap lines going sick, cause we got better beat. Glock scorps is a max, cartel weaponry. Smoke broccoli to the brain while we run up celery. Trap lines going sick, cause we got better beat. Glock scorps is a max, cartel weaponry. 6 litre whips, 7-figure pops, 8 with a gang, 9 millis bang, 10 litre crops, Mac 11 pops, 12 in the jewelry, 5 in the dock. 6 litre whips, 7-figure pops, 8 with a gang, 9 millis bang, 10 litre crops, Mac 11 pops, 12 in the jewelry, 5 in the dock. 6 litre whips, 7-figure pops, 8 with a gang, 9 millis bang, 10 litre crops, Mac 11 pops, 12 in the jewelry, 5 in
Legendary
the
make this
dock.
one.
So I had to put my cape on. So I had to superhero on my block. So I had to put my cape on.
Yo, superhero on my block, so I had to put my cape on. Used to leave my spinners put down just like capons. Stitches next door, getting hella haze gone. It's getting hella haze gone. Had to hit the block cause I had to get my cake up. Fuck her in a Jeep, Louis beanie full of makeup. What? Louis beanie full of makeup. Fuck her in my Jeep, Louis beanie full of makeup. Killers hitting licks in the bay with a K-top. Rolling round the ends, but this place is full of fake love. Everyone's at it now, city full of fake thugs. The game's on its ass cause the block is full of fake plugs. Half a box of downtown, you know it's coming taped up. Cooling at the spot with some trappers getting baked up. Strikers at a down, you know it's getting taped off. Top man out to whip it, now it's ready for a bake-off. Tints on the dinger, no trail if we take off. Took the case of trial head first like a straight dog. Stuck it on the prosecution, lost like a stray dog. Tried to send me up the road in a cage box. They tried to send me up the road in a cage box. Baby said you beat it, let's fly. Took a K-cost, told her I ain't going nowhere until this Turk's gone. Stuck my tongue in it, in her cuties getting turned on. Stick it in my kitty right now, want your first son. Whipped out the Jimmy, now she's saying it's a turn off. Told her I'm a dog, need millies for the sperm. Stood 100 out the kitty, I can get your shit turned off. I can get your shit turned off. 100 out the kitty, I can get your shit turned off. Quarter Lagos, I ain't gotta get a perm done. Quarter of the bash, now it slaps like a dog's mouth. Been turning up so little T's in the doghouse. Little T's in the doghouse. Plants of the wolf got me cropping in the doghouse. Original cuts, purple buds, now it's lockdown. The rats ain't stepping out the house like it's lockdown. Yo, like it's lockdown. The rats ain't stepping out the house like it's lockdown. Yo, like it's lockdown. And if you do be on point with your cardio and fitness, Yardies in the team with the 100-meter quickness. Hyenas in the camp diagnosed with the sickness. Can't leave my day ones behind them with some misfits. 7 bootings, I never left one witness. I never left one witness. Scots come thin, but the mat's got the fitness. Never messed about when it comes to doing business. Hockey puck tea with them 9-bar biscuits. with the 9-bar biscuits. Scots come thin, but the Max got the fitness. Hockey puck tea with the 9-bar biscuits.
For this cash, 13 years old with a shoebox stash. I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass. Nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash. I got a real ambition for this cash. 13 years old with a shoebox stash. I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass.
Pull up in the Merc, G1 on the shirt. He gon' need a church, he gon' leave in a hearse. I really do this, more than a verse. Pay $12.50 for a purse. Nigga, that's my babe. Gun on me when I rage. Just shot a nigga yesterday. Packs just in, Max just ring. Fur coat mink with my Clapton ting. 7/5 for these white cells. 2 creeps, Joe C's part parallel. This a whap on my waist, not a Louis belt. Things we've done to pursue the wealth. Robert Green frame of mind. Niggas couldn't live this life of mine. I bust M's, call me Al Capone, snack a pone, still on point like a Capricorn. Niggas talking like the flip bricks. Niggas talking like the stick spits. There's 2 bodies on this biscuit. Bust the case, no witness. When I catch you, I'ma kill you. You and your bro, you and your hoe, 2 in the dome. You gon' need a funeral home, beef for Capone, I'm squeezing the most. Now you tell me something. Your bro died, you ain't ride, you're shook. I stayed with the crooks, 9 mil with a shush. My girl Asian, so is my budge. The coke Caucasian, that's Kelly Brooks. In the spot eating cassava leaf. On my ends, there's no one as bad as me. I turn your face into battered cheese. Try me, I'll turn you to a tragedy. Crocodile, red button reptiles, coke in a pot, bring it back like the X-Files. Winchester shells rip his chest out. In the trap, hella bricks getting pressed out. AK Mayday, SK vacate, SN and Day Day. Hit first Ray J, AJ Haymate, spin blade blade. Presidential Day Day, gun rise daybreak, more road than wave. Got holes for days, got dough is safe. Put holes in face, 3Z the great, olive skin the bay. A6 estate, pull up shoot the wake is Capone.
Block is the best food. Oh man.
Busy with the fiends, got this fizzy in my jeans. Aim it at your chest, nothing less than your knees. Pissed cause I woke up, I lost a couple G's. Fuck bro, the control on my past got seized. Blowing on this Cali or this Sammy, now I'm high. See him at the lights, slap it off and then we drive. Feds tryna chase, pass the UE at the lights. Changing up the plates, so then the whip if he dies. Most man are bitch made, most of them are rats. You can't talk about your wrist game, cause your dope is whack. See him on the streets, he was chatting all that wax. From the fizzy to your yard, we get it poppin' like some yak. I love money and weed, got them fetishes. Night stay beating while deleting all these messages. Pops don't want his son to end up like his relatives, but it's in my blood, now we on some fucking menaces. I ain't tryna end up broke, so I keep pushing packs and this weight on the roads like it's no. I ain't tryna spend it on a coat until my money long and I can blow a couple O's. You should know how the game goes. Still stuck up on the main roads, looking CID in a plain clothes, case closed. I'm sliding with the same bros, they don't want beef, it's all Gucci like Nave Smalls. Busy with the fiends, got this fizzy in my jeans. Aim it at your chest, nothing less than your knees. Pissed cause I woke up, I lost a couple G's. Fuck bro, the control on my past got seized. Blowing on this Cali or this Sammy, now I'm high. See him at the lights, slap it off and then we drive. Feds tryna chase, pass the UE at the lights. Changing up the plates, so when the whip if he dies. I'm in the track spot, bro's got a 9 of each. Rather buy me some Nikes than designer sneaks. That don't mean shit, I've had 1,000 lines. At 15 I made £10 1,000 times. Cause when it goes off, I got the sewn off. Shot it used to be long, now it's got a nose job. And don't think it's just music, we rap about it cause we really gon' do this. Had the town locked down before Corona, I was getting all these pounds through the border. If you know it's no less than a quarter. Coke into crack, let it bubble in the water. Leave the packs at a yard, tell her this ain't love. I'm just tryna move all these big weight buds. Baby, I'm a child, so you know what's good. I'ma bang the soul up, put it back up in the hood. Break a box down, gotta let these O's fly. You can get them cheap, man, I charge you for them low price. Make you smoke your own crop, you wouldn't know the whole time. Back to where I started like Rimsy, man, it's go time. Busy with the fiends, got this fizzy in my jeans. Aim it at your chest, nothing less than your knees. Pissed cause I woke up, I lost a couple G's. Fuck all the control on my past got seized.
Nigga, you ain't real. Stop acting like you are. Stop capping. I got Barbies on the kid. Every day they be begging, stack a bone for a menage. Push the button, then it starts. Sitting in the race, just gazing at the stars. Bitch, I'm gazing at a star. I dropped out of school, but I still got some class. You watch the front door. I'ma creep through the sideway. Slump a nigga on his driveway. I'm just happy that it's Friday. When you see my watch, bitch, better keep your eyes straight. Old friends moving sideways. Me mugging, get a Scarface. Jeans on Mary. Keep broke niggas nowhere near me. Fuck a hood rap like she's Halle Berry. Should I came home like last January. Snap the Grim Reaper, got my own cemetery. Pull up in the road, shit scary. The inside white like Katy Perry. Dripping in sauce, Perry. It ain't beef unless someone nigga, you ain't real. Stop acting like you are. Stop capping. I got Barbies on the kid. Every day they be begging, stack a bone for a menage. Push the button, then it starts. Sitting in the race, just gazing at the stars. Bitch, I'm gazing at a star. I dropped out of school, but I still got some class. Posted on your blocks. Nothing but hollows in my Glock. Say the wrong jeans, match the top. I just put the beam on them up. Shoot, turn your coupe to a drop. When I catch you, he's a rap. Fuck a bad bitch like she's a Kadash. These niggas ain't bad, I'll kill him for sass. Say the word is Kalas. Nothing but murder in my Mac. Nothing but murder on my mind. Should I use the chopper or the 9? When I shoot, I just hope that he dies. Bitch, I'm the boss. Got nothing but dick for a fuck. 36 O's in the box. Knightsbridge, nigga, just a shot. Rose gold dweller, that's my watch. Stop acting like you are. Stop capping. I got Barbies on the kid. Every day they be begging, snack a bone for a menage. Push the button, then it starts. Sitting in the race, just gazing at the stars. Bitch, you're gazing at a star. I dropped out of school, but I still got some class.